Hi, this is Olga with Food Remedies. And in this video, I wanted to talk to you about something that my clients ask me on a fairly regular basis. A lot of people I work with are concerned about whether or not they're getting everything that they need to function properly and to stay healthy from their diet. And I'm not surprised to hear those concerns. You get plenty of information out there that the soil is depleted, that the processing destroys nutrients in your food, that you have to be eating all these different superfoods like blueberries, for example, every single day. And if you don't, you might start feeling like you're not taking care of yourself correctly. So I wanted to address those concerns of my clients with you here. First of all, the soil depletion. Yes, it is true. It's better to get your food from sustainable farming. These guys really take care of their soil. And it's also true that processing destroys many nutrients in your food. So eating unprocessed food will increase your chances of getting all the nutrients. If you eat food from plant sources and animal sources, that also increases your chances of getting everything that you need. I'm not saying that you cannot be healthy being a vegetarian, not at all. I'm just saying that it is easier to get all the nutrients if you're eating from both plant and animal kingdom. And if you are a vegetarian, you really need to know what you're doing. So another concern that many people have is that they have to have a really great variety of foods to stay healthy. And they're concerned that, oh my God, I don't really like kale. Uh, and how can I be healthy if I don't eat kale? But you don't have to eat kale as long as you eat cabbage or cauliflower or broccoli. All these foods belong to the same family, together with lettuce and arugula and radishes. As long as you're eating some of the foods from that family, you're going to be fine. And that's true for many different plant families. So I invite you to eat real unprocessed food from sustainable sources. Make sure that you have plant and animal sources of food. And then there's really no need to be worried about it. But in case you are, please ask me a question, leave me a comment. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye.